So here we are, final day of Financials.
Yes.
2012. It's been an interesting 3 days. We've certainly had a few interesting conversations, but what is it you found? What have you learned over the last 3 days?
Yeah, so I mean, there have been about 1,500 people here overall. Clearly I've not spoken to all those, but I've tried to speak to as many as I could. And I think the general feedback seems to be very positive. I think most people have been impressed with the content, and that ranges really from a session yesterday that seemed to be very well received on defining KPIs for HR shared service centres, right through to today there was a hands-on session using business objects on the new SAP HANA database platform. So I think the first thing is I think it's been well received. I think the second thing, I've already mentioned HANA. I think just in talking to people, there's a lot of interest in HANA and what it can do for people's business. Even where there's not yet a well-defined business problem to be tackled. But I think there's a lot of interest there. The only pushback I'm hearing is it's potentially very expensive, and also a couple of people have said that there's a new proprietary language involved in it as well, and there's some nervousness about that. But I think HANA is a second thing. And I think the other big theme I'm hearing from people is there's quite a bit of confusion over the BI toolset and the complexity of it, and the many different products that are there now. So some people are used to using BEX with BW, or if they're from a business objects background, maybe web intelligence. Then there's the Explorer product, and a number of people have said they're not sure what to do about OLAP reporting, for example. And in the same kind of vein, think about a roadmap. Well, what does HANA mean for BW in particular? A number of people said that they think BW structures as we know them now could well disappear over time. So maybe no more star schema, no more need for staging, those kind of things. So there'll be three big themes, I think.